Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about division algorithm for polynomials and also told that it's important for 2 marks or 3 marks as a examination point of view. Okay. And also assigned some of the homework problems. So that is around 5-6 problems assigned you. Okay, so the first one already I solved in the last class. Okay, so now the remaining 1 2 3 4 5 6 problems we need to I gave as a homework. Okay, I hope all of you done the homework correctly. Yes, my students will always do correct, but once we'll verify what you did is right or wrong. Okay, let's verify it fast. So in the second problem, so they gave that x to the power of 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and g of x is equals to x square plus 1 minus x. Okay, what we should do for this? So first we should write this in the standard form. So what is the standard form? So we know that it is from the highest degree to the lowest degree. So highest exponential power to the lowest exponential power. So here 4x square is there, but where is 3x? Where is x cube? X cube is not seen. It is not available here. So for that, what should we do? So we should add x cube. How should we add that? We should add 0x cube. Okay. Why 0x cube? Okay, see, if we add 0x cube, we know that if anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay, so here also 0x cube, the value of 0x cube is 0 only. We are not affecting the original equation, and also we should not affect the original equation. So we should manipulate the equation which is required for us. In what manner we required, we should manipulate like that, but we should not affect the original equation. This is one of the rule in the mathematics. Okay, so now we are x power 4 plus 0x cube minus a 3x square. X square term is there, so then plus 4x plus 5. Okay, this is the now it is in the standard form. Okay, now g of x, what is g of x? They gave you x square plus 1 minus x. So we should write this in the standard form, that is x square minus x plus 1. Okay, we did that. So after doing that, what should we do? Now next step is, so first you should check the whether it is in standard form. Yes, not in standard form, that is x square 2, so nothing is there, 1, so it is 0, so 2 1 0. Okay, so now what we should do, we should divide this. So how should we divide? We should divide p of x by g of x. So p of x is, so that is x square minus x plus 1, and g of x is x to the power of 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So this is the g of x. So okay, in the last class we discussed that what is that, what we discussed, we should make this x square x to the power of 4 terms. Our aim is to make x to the power of 4, the first term of this p of x, 0. We should cancel this. How should we do? So we should multiply here with one term such that if we multiply that term, that should make this x to the power of 4 0. How can we do that? Here x to the power of 4 is there, so already we discussed about this. So here x to the power of 4, x square is there. We need to multiply one term to make that as x to the power of 4. Okay, what we can multiply? It is very simple, that is nothing but x square. If we multiply x square, so we'll get that x square into x square is nothing but x to the power of 4. Yes, I wrote that here. Okay, then here plus, so plus into minus, minus 1x into x square, it is 1x cube, then plus into plus, plus, so 1 into x square, that is 1x square. Now cancel, now change the symbol, so here minus, here plus, and here minus, so cancel the symbols. Oh, cancel the, so cancel the unlike like terms. So here plus x power 4 minus x power 4 get cancelled, so we can cancel this. So then plus and here plus, so it is 1x cube. So then minus 3x square minus 1x square minus 4x square, then write this plus 4x, then plus 5. Okay, so then what is our next aim? We need, our aim is to cancel the first term of this equations. So here x square is there. What should we multiply to make this as x cube? Why? Because the first term is x cube. So we should multiply by x. And also I told that just you to look into this sign. What is the sign here? Plus. So you should put this sign plus here. So that is x into x square x cube. So then plus into minus minus. So for x into x x square. So then plus into plus plus 1 into x 1x. So now we need to change the sign. So if plus is there, we need to change to minus. If minus is there, we need to change to the plus. So minus, so will get cancelled. So here also already minus is there, which I'll change it to the plus. It is plus 1x square. So then here already plus is there, I change it to the minus. Okay. So then 4x square minus 4x square plus 1x square is nothing but minus 3x square. Then 4x minus 1x plus 3x, then plus 5. So now we are starting at the beginning, minus 3x square is there. So already here also x square is there. So take this minus sign here and put here. Okay, done. So what we should multiply to make x square as 3x square? Yes, it's nothing but 3. So multiply by 3. So 3 into x square, 3x square, plus minus into minus plus 3x, minus into plus minus 3. Now change the sign, so everything get cancelled. We remain with the 8. So this is the solution. So q of x is equal to x square plus x minus 3, and r of x is 8. And even here also we have the solution for the next problem. So that is p of x. So here also the p of x is not in the standard form. Here x power 4 is there, and there is no the terms of 3, 2, 3 and 2 is not there. So for that what I did, so I added 0 x cube plus 0 x square minus 5x plus 6. I wrote in the standard form. And even g of x also the same. So here minus x square plus 0x plus 2 is there. So here also we need to do the same. So first you should arrange it in the order. So here minus x square, where is x term? X term is not there. So what I did, so I multiplied, x with 0 and added here. So that is 0x plus 2. So now you can simplify this. If we simplify, we know that our aim is to make the first term 0. Here minus x square is there. What should we multiply to make this minus x square as plus x to the power of 4? Yes, it is nothing but minus x square. Why? Because minus x square times minus x square into minus x square, it become minus into minus plus x power 2 into x power 2 is nothing but x to the power of 4. So that's why we need to multiply this. Have you understood? So the remaining steps are same. So we got the remainder as minus 5x plus 10 and q of x quotient as minus x square minus 2. I hope you understood, and also you got the same. I hope that all of you got the same answer. Yes, we'll see some more problems.